Hey everybody, Jason Cruzen here, Deputy Chief with the Charleston Fire Department in Charleston, South Carolina. And I'll be at FDIC 2022 with my session, Fire Smoke, the Hidden Dangers. As firefighters, we're exposed to fire smoke and the products of combustion thousands of times. It doesn't matter if you're paid or volunteer, big city or small rural department, fire smoke is going to get us. And we have to do a better job in protecting ourselves and better understanding what smoke is and how we can better protect ourselves and hopefully prevent most of those exposures. We're never going to be able to protect ourselves from everything, but if we do a better job of minimizing that exposure throughout the duration of our career, we're going to be better off. And it doesn't matter if you're a new firefighter or a seasoned firefighter. Whether you've been exposed to smoke one time or 100 times. This information in this session is going to be able to equip you to go back to your department and start implementing these changes your first shift back or your first day back. In the session, we're going to talk about toxicity of smoke and what's in the smoke and really what smoke is made up of and what's in the smoke and how that affects us. But more importantly, we're going to really look at what can we do as firefighters to go back to our department and implement some of these changes. It doesn't matter if you're a firefighter or you're a chief officer. What we're going to learn in this class are things that you can do to take back to your department that you can start implementing, whether it's an individual or you as a company officer making a change at the company level or a chief officer making it at the department level. So this session is really well-rounded to encompass firefighters of all educational and experience backgrounds. We'll talk about how our PPE can better protect us, our equipment, if we use it as is designed and we take care of it, it's going to take care of us. So we'll talk about PPE care and maintenance. We'll talk about some of the new things, the innovation that we're doing in the fire service that we can employ to help us make our jobs safer, and we can be more efficient and we can be healthier, which is the main takeaway for this class, is being safer and finishing your career strong. We're also going to look at, how do we take care of ourselves? How do we prepare ourselves for every shift, every day that we are going and answering these calls? The changes we're going to make are behavioral changes. They don't happen quick. Can they? Yes. But we have to retrain ourselves. We have to do things differently. Not that we're going to be any less aggressive. We're going to be more safe and we're going to be more efficient. We'll talk about some of the things that we do that we think are safe that make us slower when in fact they're actually going to make us safer, more proficient, and better at our jobs. So I hope you'll take the time to come see me at FDIC 2022 for my session, Fire Smoke, the Hidden Dangers. And until then, stay safe.